Hey guys, this is Steven at the Gruv Grill Factory, getting ready to give you a product demonstration. This is one of our early versions. You can see you've got a really sturdy handle to pick up this on. Toss it in the back of your truck, back of the car with the rest of your camping equipment. It's going to take up no space at all. Sides of your grill right here. You've got the front or back here. The other side, front or back here. On the top of the grill right here, we're going to set that aside for right now. You're going to notice a couple of slots. Now it's really easy to figure out which side goes on the inside or the outside. If you can read the logo, you're looking at the outside of the Gruv grill. Two hooks go on one side, two hooks go on the other side. A couple of bolts out, snap a few pieces together, and you're ready for the barbecue.